Hi, today we'll be learning about pronouns. What are pronouns? So pronouns are words that replace or substitute a noun. There are three types of pronouns. These include subject pronouns, possessive pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. Subject pronouns are pronouns that perform the action in a sentence. Examples include I, you, she, he, they, and it. A few examples in sentences are, Sarah didn't understand the math problem because she wasn't focusing. Here the pronoun is she, which is replacing Sarah. Michael and Jacob rode their bikes to the park so they could buy ice cream. Here the pronoun is they, which is replacing Michael and Jacob. So our next type of pronouns are possessive pronouns, pronouns that show ownership or possession. Here examples include mine, yours, hers, theirs, and his. The hat looked like hers, but in a different color. Here the possessive pronoun is hers, which is showing possession over the hat. The next sentence is, the plants were mine since Grace gifted them to me. Here the possession is over the plants. Our last type of pronouns include reflexive pronouns. Here, reflexive pronouns are pronouns that refer to a person or a thing. Examples include myself, yourself, himself, herself, and ourselves. A few sentences include, Haritha and I drove ourselves to Starbucks after a long day of shopping. Here, Haritha and I are the word are being replaced by ourselves. And last, making yourself breakfast is fun. And this refers to myself. I hope this video helped. Thank you.